Hello guys, good morning. Thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. I really appreciate your support, your love. Thank you so much. Yeah, right now it is 9 a.m. in Saudi. Yeah, so let me show you what I'm going to do. Yeah, so I'm done cleaning. Everywhere is clean. I'm done everything. So I'm done everywhere, everything. So you can see this thing. This is a pipe. Yeah, so this is a pipe. Yeah, so you can see here I have a jerrycan here. So this jerrycan is it has got what we call kerosene or paraffin. Yeah, so I'm going to reveal our heater. You can see it there, but the kerosene is lit right now because since like 3 days we have not been in the house, so we came at night. Yeah, so here is very winter, and madam had traveled and she has just come back today. Yeah, so she has been sick. She went for treatment. So this is our heater, our kerosene heater. Yeah, this is our kerosene heater. Oh yeah, so here is where we are going to fill our kerosene from. Yeah, so you can see. So this is where you will see if the kerosene you are filling is full or not. Hapa sasa ndio utaona kama iko full. So you can see it is indicated F and O. When it is full, itakuja mpaka hapa penye kuna red. But sasa kishanga utaona itakuwa huku. Yeah, so you can see right now the correct thing is almost here, meaning that it is about to get finished. So I'm going to refill for it to be full because you know the one thing about this heater is that you need not to wait until the fuel is done because itazima na tena kuwasha itakuwa shida. So you need to be very careful mafuta isiishe sana. So let's refill guys, let's refill together. Yeah, so this is our pipe we are going to use. I normally put it here because sometimes babies come, they will start playing with it. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, guys. Yeah. So this one is the one that we are going to immerse in our jerrycan. Then this one we are going to immerse here, our heater, so that once we pump, the fuel goes direct to the heater. Yeah, so here we go. Here we go, guys, like this. So I don't know how I can show you, but I can put this one here. I hope there you can see, right? Yeah, hapo unaona. So we are going to, sasa tunafanya hivi. You can see this, moja iko kwa mafuta, ingine iko kwa gas, kwa heater yetu. So as we pump, yeah, the kerosene flows to our heater. Yeah, so just like that. And when it is full, you will see the red red there is a red thing inside here. So let's continue, guys. Wait. Imekuwa full, guys. Let's see. Tutafunga. Yeah, so guys, nimemaliza ku refill the heater. So right now it is full, right? Right now our fuel is here. Yeah, initially it was here, but right now it is here. So you can see when we open, it is full. You see? Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please ensure to subscribe. So right now, yeah, so I'm done. So I'm going up. Yeah, I have some clothes that I washed there 2 days ago because we have not been in the house. So I have to go and fold them because right now they are very dry. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. Bye bye till next time.